Might as well play fun, you know. I see him.
They're on this floor?
Yep, over here.
Go down the alleyway. Watching right. Yeah. Okay.
Dead player coming through.
Nice, well done, mate. Sorry, mate, sorry. Got me.
Bit spawn campy, isn't it?
Yep. Shot, nice one, mate. No, stay there, please.
Bastard!
Fuck's sake.
Come on.
Shot. Fuck me. Hit, nice one.
To the top of
Shot.
That's me, you're out. You're in, mate.
Dead man.
Okay, that's nice.
Building over down there. There's quite a few of them in the store.
Through the bottom of the stairs!
Down the stairs, close down the stairs. Clear. Come down the stairs. Come down the stairs. They're in the store. They're in the store. Where's the top? No, they're in the store. It's the next box behind me in the store. On the corner.
Shot in it?
Huh?
Shot. the shot, wasn't it?
Where?
Right in the forehead.
Me?
Yeah.
I couldn't even
Oh, fair enough. All good, mate. All good. All good. All good.
Yeah?
Yeah, all good.
Should we take the pace to the back?
Yeah, 100%. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cheers, mate. Well played, buddy. Nice one. Now die!
I am dead.
I'm dead. Oh, I am still dead. Oh.
Sorry. Oh, I felt that one.
Got you now. Ah, shot. Nice. Yes, mate. Well, mate. Yeah, definitely. So, how are you?
Hello. Good place to marshal this.
Are they in the post office now, are they? The objective. Are they got bomb in the post office yet?
No, bakery.
Okay. Bakery. Okay. Whoa, hello, nice one, mate.
See you.
Ah! Why is it firing? Nice. Close enough.
No. Oh! Stop it. Aye!
Come on, boys.
Nice one,
Not you,
fellas.
though. Oh, I'm too hot for this.
Hello. I'll take what you want. Get out. Don't get smart.
Everyone seems pumped in here. Yeah. Woo! Let's go, boys.
I've just done the quickest reload of the flag. We're ready to kill.
So, I'll be there, boys. Don't worry.
Where's the ball?
Hit me on time.
Cottage one. Where's number one?
Sweating up a tree.
Me too, man.
Don't know where the desk is. In that section there, where the flag was.
Who wants to carry the bomb with me? Cool. Nice one, lads.
Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, game on!
Yeah, that way. Yep.
Let's have point up front first. Yeah. Go forward. You go forward. Nice.
Sit in the three. Actually, we better go that way. Okay, let's go around the other way because we're not going to get everyone's stuff left us.
We drop here and push.
Let's fight. Right, we need some guys to push forward because we can't get any further forward with this.
Two there. I'm trying to get an angle.
Yeah, no worries, man. Just try and do what we can.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Ah, shot! We need to get that bomb back. Yeah, go. All you, all you, all you. Hit, nice shot.
Try different routes, guys. Try different routes.
The bomb's in there, we need to get it back.
Yeah.
Fuck me. I'm gonna push that corner. Shot, yeah. Fuck's sake. Right in that corner. Literally the slippiest thing you can get. Nice shot. No.